There is a lot of data inside SpamZilla to help you spam check domains. Simply click on a domain in the domain results table and all of the data will be displayed on the right hand side of the screen. The first box here shows the domain name and the SpamZilla score. You can hover the mouse over the icon here and it will give you some more information about the SpamZilla score. The quick data table here provides just a glimpse at the different data from the domain that you've selected in the domain results table. Active history, parked pages, majestic topic, the spam message or spam result, the domain age, the language, and the amount of redirects on the domain. This section of the SpamZilla interface has a group of tabs that have different data related to the domain. The first tab is the Archive tab, which displays a group of screenshots taken from archive.org and screenshots.com. If you simply hover the mouse over any of the screenshots, you'll see an enlarged version of that screenshot, or if you click on the icon on the screenshot, it will open up a bigger version of that screenshot. Over here on the right we have two buttons that link to archive.org and screenshots.com. You can simply click on the buttons and they'll open a new tab with that domain in either screenshots.com or archive.org. The next tab is the anchor text tab. This data is pulled from Ahrefs API. So these are the most used anchor text for this domain. And if you hover the mouse over one of the anchor text sections, little information will appear there with the anchor text ratio. The next tab is the titles tab. The data in this tab is taken from the title HTML tag from archive.org. So you can see for this specific domain there is not that much information. If you click through any of the other domains, you'll see the titles that have been used from archive.org for that domain. The next tab is the redirects tab. This tab has a chart that displays the amount of redirects over a time frame and also the amount of valid captures that are in archive.org for each year. If you just hover the mouse over each one, it will give you a bit more information on the exact count. You can see that this domain does not have any redirects, so there's none displayed on this chart. If we select another domain, you can see here this domain has had 13 redirects, and you can see here when these redirects occurred within this chart. The next tab is the word count tab. This tab has a chart that displays the amount of words that were within the archive.org captures over a given period. The red section displays the word count. The blue section displays the outbound link count. If you see a spike in word count or a spike in outbound links, this could relate to spam occurring on the domain. The next tab is the Ahrefs tab. This tab presents data relating to the domain that has been pulled from the Ahrefs API. Domain rating, URL rating, backlinks, referring domains, and various other data is displayed here. The next tab is the Majestic tab. This is similar to the Ahrefs tab in that it is getting the Majestic data from the Majestic API and presenting it in this table. You can see the trust flow, citation flow, backlinks, referring domains, the topics, etc. There's also a deep link button here. If you click on it, it will open that domain inside Majestic. The last tab is the Language History tab, and this tab will show you a table that has the language that's been detected for each year.